Hey guys, what's going on? Chris here from FullLifeFreedom.com. Hope you're all doing well. In this video I'm going to explain to you as to why I've been away for so long from YouTube, and also explaining what I've been up to in building a six-figure Merch by Amazon business. I'll tell you about it right now. So where have I been? Well, very simply, I've been away for two reasons. One, I wanted to take a bit of time off to enjoy the fruits of my labour that I'd been doing for about 18 months to 2 years prior, and I wanted to enjoy it properly. I was in a relatively new relationship at the time, and me and my girlfriend wanted to decide that we should go away for a while. So we went to California for a little bit, did San Francisco, LA, Yellowstone. It was great, fantastic holiday, brilliant trip. And at the time of publishing my last YouTube video, which was May of 2017, was about 8 months ago. Now, when I last published that, I was about tier 1000 on Merch by Amazon, and ultimately this is what this video is about, Merch by Amazon, because the reason I've been away for so long was, one, obviously, like I said, to take a trip away, to enjoy a bit of the hard work that I'd put in prior months. And then the second thing was, when I came back from my trip with going to LA, enjoying America, etc., I wanted to come down and then start nailing down on what I wanted to build into a second six-figure income business with Merch by Amazon. Now, the reason specifically why I've been away for so long from YouTube is because at the time I published that video, I was at tier 1000 doing about $2 grand a month, 2K. $2,000, $2,500, give or take, on Merch by Amazon. Now, with about 400 shirts published live and 400 listings. Now, what I said to myself at the time was, when I'd get back from the trip, I'd focus, study down, nail down, and completely focus flat out, specifically and solely on Merch by Amazon, because I wanted to grow that into a second six-figure business. I already had accomplished what I wanted to accomplish with Kindle publishing, and that being a six-figure business, and now I wanted to challenge myself to see if I could do it twice, as build another six-figure income business. Now, the reason I'm getting back onto YouTube is because thankfully I have achieved that goal. And when I say I have achieved that goal, have I made six figures in the past 8 months? Not far from it. But what I've determined over that period of time is that this is going to be, it has no sign of slowing down, and will be a 100% clean six-figure business over the next few months. Now, for me to determine and say that I have a six-figure business, obviously if you break it down, a six-figure, $100,000 over a 12-month period comes to about $8,500 a month, of which I've been overachieving for the last 4 months. Now, it took me longer than I wanted to get to that point, and it's about time that I started sharing the knowledge. It's just what I wanted to do. I just wanted to completely shut down off YouTube, focus on building and growing a six-figure business, and come back to you with actual knowledge that you're going to be able to use, rather than it be all fluff and it's just something you can't apply to your own businesses. Either way, this is, like I said, just going to be a quick, short video to give you a rundown, to let you know that I'm back. I'm going to be releasing more videos, specifically on Merch by Amazon. I am not finished with Kindle publishing. That has always been ongoing in the background. It will always be ongoing. It brings profit. Why would I ever shut it down? So, to give you the ultimate kind of ending to this video is, stay tuned. I'm going to be releasing videos pretty damn frequently, at least 3-4 times a week, just to give you the inside knowledge and advice of what I've learned into finally building a business of six-figure income through Merch by Amazon and the print-on-demand platforms. So I hope you're excited for that. I know I am. So either way, stay tuned, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Have a great one, guys. Speak to you soon.